Stop. While you've been spending $500 per month on AI tools you barely use. Sarah from Phoenix made $47,000 in 90 days by building the platform that sells them. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to launch your own Shopify of AI tools in 48 hours and collect 30% of every sale. Even if you can't code. But only 67 licenses left, and your competitors are watching this same video. Your desktop is stuffed with AI tools. ChatGPT Plus, Jasper, Copy.ai, Midjourney. $500 plus monthly in subscriptions making you broke while making them rich. Here's the secret, there's an i4 that gets 2.3 million monthly visitors, earning $500K plus just from basic listings. But they're just a directory. With AI Mart, you own a real marketplace collecting 10 to 30% of every transaction. Just 25 tools times 500 monthly sales times $97 average equals $9,700 per month recurring income. AI Mart gives you everything. Complete marketplace platform, payment processing, mobile design, SEO optimization. We build it for you in 48 hours. Drive your first 1,000 visitors. Recruit your first 5 tool creators. You collect commissions, featured listing fees, premium memberships, advertising revenue. Month 1, $2,347. Month 3, $12,890. Month 6, $31,445. Month 12, $89,200 plus. Custom marketplace development normally costs $200,000 plus. Hosting, payments, SEO, security. It adds up fast. Your investment today? Not $50,000. Not $5,000. Just $17. 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't make 10x back, full refund. But only 67 licenses available. After that, doors close for 6 months at 3x the price. 2 choices, keep buying AI tools and staying broke. Or click below, launch your marketplace, and start collecting commissions from every AI tool sale in your niche. Someone just took atoolsfordoctors.com. How many niches will you let slip away? 67 licenses left. Your competitors aren't waiting. The AI gold rush is now. Click below and stop being the player, become the casino that always wins. While everyone else buys AI tools, you'll be the one selling them.